Okay. The overall screen is visible, or you also are seeing this box?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. I'm just arranging these so that it's not visible to everyone, no? It's okay.
We didn't receive. I can able to open. You can able to
Are
see
you
the-
seeing this black box?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Now, okay. Now we will visible the screen. Thank you.
no, okay, fine, it's okay. I want to minimize it. Yeah, done.
झालं?
Yeah. So I'm going.
diagram वाला?
Sorry?
You are now a host, ma'am. You can change the screen. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So why BIM is introduced? Yes, Vinod, what's your...
No issue. On the time of no, not visible in the screen, but now it is no visible in the screen. Thank you.
Now it's visible, Vinod sir?
Yes, yes. I am now visible in the screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So why BIM introduced? In traditional method, design and construction were carried out by using 2D drawings. The 2D drawings is CAD. We all are known about the CAD drawings, right? AutoCAD. We are architects, civil engineers, and MEP engineers work independently. Means all are working on their own side. Means architects doing their architectural drawings, civil engineers do their structural drawings, MEP do independently they are doing. So in traditional method, design develop using 2D plan, section, elevation. Architecture, structure, and MEP designs are did means separately. So coordination done manually using drawings and meetings. Design changes required multiple revision. Due to that, the multiple revision are there. Errors and clashes identify only at site. So what the result they get? Rework, delay, and increase project cost. So why BIM required today? In modern construction, we demand high speed because there are high-rise buildings, right? So in there, we didn't get that time to settle down all the things. So we required demands of speed, accuracy, coordination, which is not possible with traditional methods.
झालं का? हा?
Yes?
इकडचं पुसून ना? हे?
Leena ma'am, are you asking me a question or?
HF काढला ना आपण आता हा HF काढला काय काढायचं
Hello, participant, please mute your mic.
काय
Hello.
minor blocks ओके minor आता डायग्राम पुसून टाकले डायग्राम
भोळे सर त्यांना म्यूट करायला सांगायला.
ओके आता या फाईल मध्ये minor losses क्रिएट होणार इथं याच्यातून पाणी जेव्हा इकडे जाईल तेव्हा या एंट्रन्स
ఓకే ఓకే So BIM is essential for complex building and timeline, early clash detection, better cost and time control, improve collaboration, global industry standard, high demand for BIM skilled professionals. Okay. So how BIM help to ASM together? What is ASM? Architectural, structural and MEP. So in BIM, we provides a common platform where all discipline work on one coordinate level. Means in earlier time, what happened? क्या होता था कि architectural, civil and MEP ये separately work करते थे. तो उसके वजह से clashes detect होते थे और उसको recover करने के लिए बहुत time लगता था. Okay, I'll continue.
झालं ना
कंटिन्यू
Okay.
माझा आवाज मोठा आहे ना
So in architecture, we did the design visualization drawing from one model. In structural, we do accurate beam column slabs, structural coordination with architecture and MEP, proper routing of ducts, pipes and cables in MEP and clash-free service layout. So in BIM, no, in Revit architecture, there are three types: Revit architecture, structure, MEP. So in architecture, we did the Revit 3D modeling of architect, means all the 3D modeling of residential. Then their structures of columns, slabs, beams are did means done in Revit structure. And in MEP, all pipe, ducts, plumbing, firefighting, all are done in MEP architecture. So what's the result of we get fewer site issue. हम लोग को साइट पे इशू कम आते हैं बिकॉज हम लोग को जो भी क्लैश डिटेक्शन है वो अर्ली डिटेक्ट हो जाते हैं. उसके लिए हम लोग को सब लेवल्स चेक करने नहीं पड़ते हैं. बेटर कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है और इफिशिएंट कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है. What are the dimensions of BIM? हम लोग ने तो समझ लिया कि BIM क्या है, लेकिन ये सिर्फ 2D 3D तक नहीं है. तो we are getting all the from 2D to 10D. So in 2D, the 2D drawings are AutoCAD, 3D drawings are model, means Revit, architecture, structure, MEP, and there is also the 4D drawing. In that time management is there, the 5D cost and estimation, 60 is sustainability, how the sun, shadow and solar all are getting in what impact are there, and accordingly the designs are getting ready. 7D is facility management. In addition, these the 7D up to the 7D are there in BIM nowadays, but they are introducing the another 10D, means from 8D to 10D. In 8D, they have a safety during design and construction, 9D lean construction, 10D the construction industrialization. So I hope you are all getting right. Just I also want a response from you so that I can continue with another next slide.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay. All are getting what I'm saying? Yes. If you want another language, then I can continue with another language. Okay, it's not an issue. But my purpose is to you all know what is going on. आप सबको अगर दूसरे लैंग्वेज में चाहिए होगा तो आप बताना. Okay, shall I continue with the next?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in BIM, there is a different type of LOD. LOD means level of development. जैसे हम लोग ड्राइंग्स में लिखते हैं कि ये वाली 1 है, रिवीजन ड्राइंग है, वैसे बीआईएम में जो ये रेविट में वगैरह ड्राइंग्स बनती है उसमें एलओडी रहता है, लेवल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। जितना लेवल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट का पॉइंट्स ज़्यादा रहेगा उतना डिटेल ड्राइंग रहता है। जैसे कि प्री डिजाइन रहता है एलओडी 100, मतलब कि उसमें सिर्फ आपको नॉर्मल डिटेलिंग रहते, डिजाइन रहते, कंसेप्चुअल ड्राइंग रहता है। 200 में आपका डिजाइन डेवलपमेंट रहता है, बाद में जो 350 में रहता है वो कंस्ट्रक्शन डिटेल रहता है। ऐसे आपके जितने स्टेजेस ज्यादा रहेंगे उतना आपका लेवल ऑफ डिटेलिंग ज्यादा रहता है, लेवल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ज्यादा रहता है। LOD shows how much information a model element contain. It indicates how the model can be used. Higher LOD, more detail and more accuracy. Used by architects, engineers and contractors. Why LOD is important in BIM? Because avoid confusion between concepts, design and execution. Defines responsibility at each project stage. Ensure correct use of model. Help in planning, costing and construction accuracy. So here is the LOD requirement chart. You can see here. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे LOD 100 पे सिर्फ स्कीमेटिक ड्राइंग है। उसके बाद में आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा कि कंसेप्चुअल ड्राइंग की हाइट वगैरह ये LOD 200 में होता है। फिर प्रिसाइज ज्योमेट्री रहता है कि आपका कौन से साइड पे कितना मतलब मीन्स हाइट रहता है। देर इज अ हाइट डिफाइन इन द LOD 300. Then we have all construction details and up means in LOD 500 we have detailed drawings. You can see here massing and volume, generic system and all the fabrications and installation construction element as maintain asset data are all in this in LOD. So after doing the BIM, what we can get means what the BIM role project in. So there is a BIM engineer, BIM manager, BIM modeler, BIM consultants, BIM specialist, BIM coordinator. In BIM also there are various means role. So you can see here BIM engineer what they did means what they do, integrating engineer discipline, overseeing BIM implementation, coordinating BIM teams, managing BIM software and tools. BIM manager what they do, developing BIM standards, oversizing BIM implementation. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll continue. Okay. So BIM modeler create 3D modeling, updating, modify means generating construction document, all there. In BIM consultant, BIM strategies there, training, monitoring, evaluating BIM software, automatic BIM means automating BIM workflow, customizing BIM software, BIM coordinator. BIM coordinator is clash detect and resolutions, BIM project standards and facility communication. So wait. So we are starting with the Revit architecture. In that what the configuration we required. It's not now, but if you want to continue further, no, so you required all this configuration means Intel ID and all the things. If you want, you can screenshot it. Just a minute. I'll show you the user interface of Revit architecture. First of all, I'll tell you how to just give me a minute. From this website, yes, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. From this website, you have to download the Revit 30-day trial software. Revit 2022, 21, you have to download. Okay. I'll share the link of it on our, just give me a minute. Hello. I share the link. The link is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. It's in
Okay.
chat box.
Yes. In chat box, I share the link. So from that, you can download the Revit 2021. Okay. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So after that, I'll tell you what is means what we are going to do. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Hello. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So here is a Revit user interface. In this, the right side is application menu. I just tell you this. After that, I'll show you how the Revit is means work. Okay. So here is the on the top left side is the application menu. Here is the quick access toolbar. In that we can have toolbars in shorts means we can access it directly. Here is the ribbon and the tab bar, home, insert, all these in the tab bar. And then here is the option bar. We can see what means height of the wall and all the things we can see in the option bar. There is a info center toolbar. If you have any queries or if you want to know how it is work, so you can see here in info center toolbar. Here is the window control and this is the drawing area. So here on the left side, you see the property palette, and on below that you can see the project browser. Sometimes the project browser you can see on the right side of the window area, drawing area. Okay, so below that we have a control bar, view control bar. Then the workset controls. Here you can see the worksets who are using this, and then the design option control. In that you see the what model is this, and the filter control you also see on this side in the ribbon bar. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so Revit is visible to everyone.
Yes. Revit user interface.
Okay, you just seeing the user interface, the main Revit is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Application menu, quick access toolbar.
Okay, that one only seeing no. Okay, I'll just reshare it now.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, this is actual Revit. The screen is visible now. Actual Revit screen.
Yes, models, families,
Yes, exactly.
recent files.
Yes. In models, no, the model are we have a types of model means इसमें आपको different types of model दिखेंगे. मैं आपको ये okay. ये देखो यहाँ पे Revit 2021 है. आपको भी Revit 2021 या फिर इससे मीन्स दूसरा वर्जन भी ले सकते हो, लेकिन अपर वर्जन लेना जो 22-23 रहेगा. अगर आप ज्यादा मीन्स अभी के वर्जन लेते हो तो उसमें डिफरेंट आपको ये सेटिंग मिलेगी, तो वो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा एट दिस स्टेज, बिकॉज वी आर ओनली डूइंग द Revit आर्किटेक्चर, नो. So that's why you means you can take the Revit 2021. Okay. So in the model we have a open type, means in this we have open and new. In open, if we have another types, means already created, that open in this. And in new means whatever we have to do, no, that new Revit file is doing here. So we click on new. In new, we see this, the project and project template. We have to click on the project only. So in template file, there are multiple files: metric architectural, metric structural, metric construction, imperial architectural, structural and system. सो इस सब में डिफरेंस ये है कि मेट्रिक और इंपेरियल में क्या डिफरेंस है. अगर आपको में या फिर मीटर में वर्क करना है तो आपको मेट्रिक चूज करना है, और अगर आपको फीट इंचेस में वर्क करना है तो आपको इंपेरियल चूज करना है. तो अभी हम लोग इफ हम लोग में वर्क करते हैं तो हम लोग मेट्रिक आर्किटेक्चरल टेम्पलेट सिलेक्ट करते हैं. और अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ भी यूज नहीं करना है तो यहाँ पे ब्राउज ऑप्शन रहता है, तो आप ब्राउज भी कर सकते हो. तो इसमें आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स दिखते हैं कि आपको कौन सा यूज करना है, तो आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हो अगर आपके इसमें टेम्पलेट फाइल में ये सब नहीं दिखते हैं तो हम लोग मेट्रिक आर्किटेक्चरल अगर यूज करते हैं. अभी मैं आपको ये बताती हूँ कि मेट्रिक आर्किटेक्चरल, स्ट्रक्चरल, कंस्ट्रक्शन ये सब क्या है. आर्किटेक्चरल में आपका आर्किटेक्चरल मॉडलिंग होता है. स्ट्रक्चरल और कंस्ट्रक्शन में आपका कॉलम ये सब होता है, कॉलम, बीम, स्लैब ये सब होता है. और आपका जो सिस्टम रहता है इसमें आपका क्या बोलते हैं उसको, MEP का ड्राइंग्स होता है. सो इफ अभी मेट्रिक का आपको यहाँ पे MEP नहीं, मेट्रिक सिस्टम नहीं दिख रहा है, तो आप यहाँ से ब्राउज करके भी MEP ले सकते हो. मेट्रिक का वो आता है डिफॉल्ट मेट्रिक में. तो अभी हम लोग मेट्रिक आर्किटेक्चर लेते हैं. वी हैव टू चूज द मेट्रिक आर्किटेक्चरल फॉर आर्किटेक्चरल ड्राइंग एंड देन वी क्लिक ओके. Okay, so here is this ribbon, user interface is there. So all are getting what I am saying. Just means give me a yes or no so that I can go ahead, no.
Participant, please reply.
Hmm. If you have any question, you
Yes.
can ask. Okay.
In chat box, Seema Patel ma'am says yes. Yes. Chat box.
Okay.
Okay. You can proceed further.
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
I have shared the link to the group, WhatsApp group,
Okay.
how to download the.
Okay, fine. So shall I continue with it?
Yes.
Okay. So after you use the metric architectural, no, so you can see this four. This is camera. Inside that, if you do the, I'll just showing this first. If you do these, no, you can see in the Revit like this. Okay. I'll show you step by step, but I want to know how it's work, no? So that's why you have to work inside the camera only. If you want टू मीन्स आपको अगर ये पीछे करना है तो आप इसको पीछे भी कर सकते हो कैमरा का सेटअप। अगर आपका फाइल बड़ा रहता है तो आपको कैमरा को सिलेक्ट करना है फ्रॉम मीन्स माउस से और आपको इसको पीछे करना है। ये सब आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है आप रेविट इंस्टॉल करने के बाद। Okay. So here is the different types means project browser, properties, project browser. As we know ना, application menu, quick access bar. आपको अगर 3D देखना है तो आप इससे डायरेक्टली यहाँ से देख सकते हो 3D। ये क्विक एक्सेस बार है, मतलब कि आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ से कर सकते हो। नहीं तो इसके लिए लॉन्गर प्रोसीजर ये है कि आपको व्यू में जाना है, फिर 3D व्यू में जाना है, फिर यहाँ से डिफॉल्ट 3D व्यू लेना है। इसीलिए इसको क्विक एक्सेस बार बोलते हैं। यहाँ से आप क्विकली कर सकते हो। इसमें आप ऐड भी कर सकते हो अगर आपको दूसरा कुछ भी क्विक एक्सेस बार में ऐड करना है तो। Okay. So this is the structural, architectural and all the things in means tab bar, and these are the ribbon in which you can see all the ribbons, wall, door, window, components, all the things we can do. And here is the structural part, steel part is there, precast is there, system is there, all the things are included. So we are going just for the architecture today. In first what we do, we first after doing this no means opening the Revit architecture, we first do the unit installation means unit setup. For that we have to go in manage, then project units. Okay, in that you have to put in which units you want means or meter. So if I want meter, I can choose meter. Inches, so for that feet inches you have to do that imperial. If you want centimeter you can click on that. I'm doing them in millimeters for today only. Okay, so in millimeters and then okay. If you want to change all the things you can do. Okay. Then what is the here is the Davis bar means navigation tool is there. You want to zoom, rewind, pan is there. Then zoom to fit and all the things are there. Okay. So after doing the units, okay, there is a one shortcut for units means for manage and project units, and the other is you have type on keyboard UN, just UN. After UN, the units are there only. Okay. So other than that, if you now after that, what we have to do, the elevation setup. You go means आप कौन से भी elevation में जा सकते हो, east, north, south, west. आपको जिसमें भी जाना है आप उसमें जा सकते हो। देन आप ये देखोगे कि ये एलिवेशन लाइन रहता है, मतलब आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट करने वाले हो, आपका क्या रहेगा। तो यहाँ पे तो आपको लेवल दिख रहा है कि 0, 1 है, लेवल 2 मतलब 4000 है। आपको प्लिंथ ऐड करना है, इसको अलग नेम देना है, इसको रोड ऐड करना है, फिर यहाँ पे डिफरेंट देना है, तो आप वो कर सकते हो। आपको उसके लिए क्या करना है, ये ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है ना सबके लिए, इज इट ओके नो? Shall I continue further or means what you just tell me? Accordingly, I'll minimize my speed and means all the things, no? Is it okay now? Okay, okay.
Replies are okay in chat box.
Amit sir saying is okay, yeah. Okay, okay. Fine. So in the level, we first change the level type. Means here is the 0, here is the 4000. If you want to check in quick access toolbar, you can see the align dimensions. Click on the align dimension and check the whether it is right or wrong. See, the 4000 is there. Okay, so I'm deleting this. मैं ये डिलीट कर रही हूँ। अभी इसको मैं नाम चेंज कर रही हूँ। यहाँ पे अगर मैं लिखती हूँ ग्राउंड लेवल, okay, मैंने लिख के क्लिक कर दिया तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली एक ऑप्शन आएगा, वुड यू लाइक टू रीनेम करस्पॉन्ड व्यू। तो मुझे रीनेम करना है तो यस करूंगी मैं। तो ग्राउंड लेवल आ गया है, तो ये 0 0 है। अभी मुझे प्लिंथ लेवल करना है 450 का। तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी, इस पे क्लिक करूंगी और यहाँ पे मैं 450 करती हूँ। ठीक है, पहले तो मैं इसको डिलीट भी कर सकती हूँ। यहाँ पे मैं प्लिंथ लेवल लिख के लेती हूँ। ओके, इस पे डायरेक्टली कर दिया। तो अभी ये दोनों ओवरलैप हो गए, तो इसको मुझे ऊपर लेके जाना है। आई वॉन्ट टू मीन्स सी ऑल द थिंग्स, नो इट्स इज ओवरलैपिंग, सो आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस। then here is one break line is there, so I'll click on that. After that I'm doing this. Okay, so you can see if you want these level, what we say, logo on that side only, means on the left side only, you can click here. Here is a square box, you click on this, you click on this like that. If you don't want, you just unclick here. Okay, so if I want to add another level, no, in like for 4000 I want of be means above the plinth level, so I'll click here and then right click, then create similar is there, create similar, and just check whether it's going, means 4000, right? So I'll go and click, and then you just stretch this thing. The levels you can see on this side, no, 4450, it's from ground level, not from this level. Okay, 0450, then here is a 4450. Accordingly you can do the levels part above that. Okay, so I hope you are understood, everyone, because the today's session we have to do, and still here only, no, because it's not heavy to all of you. Yes, yes, understood, everyone.
Participant, please reply or message in the chat box. Yes,
Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, 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 thank you. Yes, thank you. ओके, सो हम लोग आज के लिए यहाँ तक ही करने वाले थे, बिकॉज ये आपको ओवरलोड ना हो. इफ यू वांट टू गो फर्दर देन वी कैन गो फर्दर ऑल्सो. यू जस्ट टेल मी कि यहाँ तक आपको करना है पहले प्रैक्टिस, उसके बाद में आपको नेक्स्ट वाला बताऊँ या फिर कंटिन्यू करूँ, आप ही मुझे बताओ. मैं अब मेरा स्क्रीन स्टॉप करूँ शेयर, कंटिन्यू करूँ? ओके, सीमा मैम आप बोल रहे हो कंटिन्यू करो, सब मतलब सबको चलेगा मैं कंटिन्यू करूँ तो? ओके ओके ओके, सो आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग. ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. Okay. So I'm audible, no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So here now we add the level, right? So here you can see the level 3, level, plinth level. So we didn't rename the level 3. Here we have to rename it. Means like first floor. Okay? Yes. एंड आफ्टर मीन्स रिनेमिंग नो हम लोग ने जब इसको रिनेम किया तो